We are going to make a very simple obstacle avoidance robot. Consider this is our robot and some object out here. The robot will continue to move forward and it's gonna hit this object. Now this is because we haven't programmed any artificial intelligence inside this robot. So the idea of the obstacle avoidance capability is that the robot should detect this object and go around this object. There are many ways to achieve this. You can use a camera and a computer to let the robot see the object with computer vision, or you can use other sensor like ultrasonic sensor, but this can be complicated and little expensive. For this tutorial we are going to use a digital eye sensor. As we are making a very simple obstacle avoidance robot, we are going to use only one single digital eye sensor. So the idea is that we are going to keep a digital sensor over here in front of the robot. Now sensor has IR sensor has one IR transmitter and one IR receiver. When receiver receives any infrared waves, sensor send binary 1 to the microcontroller, and if it does not sense any object, it send 0 to the microcontroller. So there would be a microcontroller on the robot. Sensor is connected to the microcontroller, and also microcontroller controls the motor direction or the movement. So here right now the sensor does not see any object, so it will be sending 0 to the microcontroller, so robot will move forward. But when it reaches here, robot sense the object and it will send binary 1 to the microcontroller. So when it detects microcontroller, we can program to robot to turn left or right depending upon our programming. So each digital IR sensor gives us two different possibilities, either 1 or 0. 1 means it detects any object, 0 means it does not. So for 0 condition, we will make our robot to move forward. For 1, which means there is object, we will turn left.